Fire over the weekend left a local nonprofit with a big mess, forcing it to shut down.
And now leaders say they need help to get back up and running. Our Shamir Owens is here for you with more on what you can do to help.
Sherry Siobhan, the Eaton Clothing and Furniture Center is a nonprofit thrift store that has served Eaton and Berry County residents since 1994. The executive director says that now the store needs support in the midst of a devastating situation.
Both goods and financial donors are essential to our mission and to us surviving. And now is a time where we really need that.
Sean Prickett is the executive director of the Eaton Clothing and Furniture Center in Charlotte. He says an employee called him Saturday night when they noticed a fire truck near the building. And when he arrived, the fire was out and the damage had been done.
It wasn't a huge fire, but it was enough to do a significant amount of water damage to our part of the building and smoke damage.
Prickett says water covered the floor of the center sorting room, forcing them to toss lots of merchandise. The water also damaged ceiling tiles, but Prickett's biggest concern, he says, is the smoke damage.
We need to decide what kind of health risk that could pose to our clients. How much of our inventory are we going to have to dispose of? We're here to help the community and lift people up, so we want to make sure that all of our merchandise is properly cleaned and there's no risks to anybody that buys things.
The nonprofit thrift store has been serving people who live in Eaton and Berry counties for nearly 30 years. The center allows those in need to shop for free once a month and pick up free furniture once a year.
They have to qualify through some type of government assistance or meet our income guidelines for poverty level. Or they can be a referral from another organization.
The center also has a back-to-school and winter warm-up initiative. Prickett says with each day that they're closed, they can't serve their community and lose money to pay their bills.
We have to figure out if we're going to be shut down, how it's going to affect our clients and our members, and even my employees, the couple employees that I have. We are accepting whatever kind of monetary donations people will be willing to help give us to get through this.
Prickett tells me that not only are they in need of financial support, they also need volunteers to help with the cleanup. If you would like to help the center, Prickett asks that you send a message to his Facebook page as the store is closed and no one is there to answer the phone. The name of that page is Eaton Clothing and Furniture Center. Prickett also says it appears that the fire was started by a bonfire near the building. Back to you.
Thank you, Shamir. Speaking